Let's make an object spin in Adobe After Effects. Click Command 0 to bring up your project. We're going to use the Adobe After Effects icon as our object and drag it onto your composition. Now, go down to the layer, the object layer, and you'll see this little arrow. Click down on Transform, and you have anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. None of those are actually what we want to spin the object, to see the front and the back. For that, we're going to have to make it a 3D object. And to do so, go to this cube and right under it, enable it, and that makes it a 3D layer. And that gives you now the orientation, X rotation, Y rotation, and Z rotation. For this, we're going to be focusing on the Y rotation. By default, it's at 0x and 0 degrees. So bring your timeline to the beginning. Make sure again it's on 0x and 0 degrees. And then click the stopwatch to create a keyframe right here, a little diamond. And then move your timeline all the way to the end and click 1x. And that will create another keyframe. And you'll notice when you move, you have your spin. Click spacebar, and there's your animation. Now, if you want to add a little realism, you can click on these three circles right here and enable it, and that enables motion blur. And you'll see the little motion blur artifacts, a little blurry, and that creates the effect that it was filmed instead of just animated on a computer. So it'll be a little bit more lifelike.